بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sadika. I am studying in 4th standard in Al-Huda Nursery and Primary School. My Islamic topic name 8 Doors of Jannah. The aim of every Muslim in this world is to make it to Jannah in the next life. The entry of Muslim through this earth is contingent upon many factors, most important of which is the fear of Allah Almighty and complete submission to His commands. Bab al-Salat, Bab al-Zihad, Bab al-Sadaqah, Bab al-Rayyan, Bab al-Hajj, Bab al-Hazimin al-Haiz wal-Afi an-Nas, Bab al-Iman, Bab al-Dhikr. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.